Our journey begins on the sun-drenched shores of Italy's Amalfi Coast. Imagine yourself strolling through picturesque villages, each one a splash of pastel on the stunning coastline. Feel the warmth of the Mediterranean sun as you gaze out upon azure waters, a perfect canvas for the vibrant culture that thrives here. Savor the delightful flavors of authentic Italian cuisine, each bite a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. It's easy to see why the Amalfi Coast is a top pick for 2024. From the Mediterranean we travel to the land of the rising sun. Welcome to Kyoto, Japan. Here, the magic of cherry blossom season envelops the city, painting it in hues of pink and white. Amidst this sea of blossoms, ancient temples stand tall, their roofs glazed with a layer of history and time. Tranquil gardens designed with an eye for the sublime offer a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life. And nothing quite captures Kyoto's essence like a traditional tea ceremony. The meticulous process, the serene setting, the exquisite taste, it's a dance of elegance and mindfulness. Experience the harmonious blend of ancient tradition and modern life in Kyoto. Next, we venture to the southernmost tip of the world. Welcome to Patagonia. Straddling Argentina and Chile, this region is a symphony of natural wonders. Imagine towering mountains that pierce the sky, massive glaciers that glisten in the sunlight, and serene lakes that mirror the heavens above. Patagonia is a hiker's dream, with trails that wind through its awe-inspiring landscapes, revealing panoramic views at every turn. And let's not forget the local wildlife. From guanacos grazing on the plains to Andean condors soaring in the skies, nature's spectacle never ends. This wild, untamed region is as thrilling as it is beautiful. Patagonia is truly a paradise for adventure seekers. From the wilderness of Patagonia, we journey to the vibrant city of Marrakech. Here, the heartbeat of Morocco pulsates through the lively markets, where artisans display their crafts and spices paint the air with exotic scents. The city's historic palaces are a testament to the grandeur of times past, while the nearby Sahara Desert offers a stunning contrast with its majestic, timeless dunes. Traditional Moroccan dishes, rich in flavor and heritage, provide a culinary journey all their own. Marrakech, where every corner tells a story. Finally, we end our journey in the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown, New Zealand. Nestled amidst the remarkable's mountain range, Queenstown is where thrill seekers find their heaven. Bungee jumping off a cliff or sailing through the serene waters of Milford Sound, it's a place where adrenaline and tranquility dance a beautiful duet. And let's not forget the scenic hikes and vineyards that offer a feast for your senses. Queenstown is the perfect destination to round off your 2024 travel bucket list. Our journey around the world doesn't end here. There are countless other destinations waiting to be discovered in 2024. Picture yourself on the pristine, secluded beaches of the Seychelles, soaking up the sun and the serenity. Or perhaps marveling at the ethereal beauty of the northern lights in Iceland, a spectacle that is truly a feast for the eyes. The world offers an abundance of experiences, each one unique and unforgettable in its own way. From the vibrant cityscapes to the tranquil countrysides, from the snowy peaks to the sandy shores, there's a corner of the globe that's calling your name. So tell us, where is your wanderlust leading you? What destinations have made it to your 2024 travel bucket list? We're excited to hear about your upcoming adventures. Remember, the world is your oyster in 2024. So, where will your journey take you?